The 2026 Honda Super Cub continues the legacy of the world's best-selling motorcycle while embracing modern technology and timeless style. First introduced in 1958, the Super Cub has earned a legendary reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality. The 2026 model stays true to its iconic step-through design but features updated LED lighting, refined bodywork, a modern digital instrument display, and premium finishes that give it a fresh and stylish appearance. Powered by a smooth and efficient 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine paired with Honda's proven 4-speed semi-automatic transmission, the Super Cub offers an effortless riding experience without the need for a manual clutch. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners, daily commuters, and experienced riders who appreciate simplicity and comfort. The lightweight chassis provides easy handling in busy city traffic, while the comfortable upright riding position ensures relaxed journeys even on longer rides. Honda has also focused on safety by equipping the 2026 Super Cub with front disc brakes featuring ABS, delivering confident stopping performance in various road conditions. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps effectively, creating a smooth and stable ride on urban streets. Despite its compact size, the bike offers impressive fuel economy, allowing riders to travel long distances with fewer fuel stops, making it one of the most economical motorcycles in its class. Practical features such as underseat storage options, durable construction, and low maintenance costs further enhance its appeal for everyday use. Beyond its practicality, the Super Cub remains a cultural icon admired by riders around the world for its classic design and dependable performance. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets, commuting to work, or enjoying a relaxing weekend ride, the 2026 Honda Super Cub delivers a perfect balance of efficiency, reliability, comfort, and style. Its legendary heritage, combined with modern engineering and Honda's trusted quality, ensures that the Super Cub continues to set the standard for lightweight commuter motorcycles. For riders seeking an affordable, dependable, and timeless machine that excels in daily transportation while offering a fun and enjoyable riding experience, the 2026 Honda Super Cub stands out as one of the finest choices available today, proving once again why it remains one of the most beloved motorcycles ever built.